guys, welcome back to Grimo TV. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for tuning in again. Today we are making a very quick and easy recipe. We're making pancakes. So without much further ado, let me show you what we're going to do. I'm making banana and blueberry pancakes. So here I have 2 bananas. The first thing I'm going to do is mash them. Bananas. Make sure they're nice and soft, and usually for this you need very ripe bananas. Don't use the ones that are not quite ripe, because then the texture of the bananas is totally different. Yeah, once this is done, I will now add my 2 eggs to the mixture. These are 2 eggs. I have a 1/4 cup of cooking oil. I use cooking oil. Add that in. 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Add that in. Now, before I can go any further, I need to mix the baking powder and the all-purpose flour. This is 1 tablespoon and 1/4, and this is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I want to mix this together. Nice. Now put it back. I have my sugar here. This is a 1/2 cup of sugar. Sugar, it all depends totally on you. You don't have to follow my exact measurements. If you prefer less sugary, then you can reduce. You can add just depending on how you like it, basically. And now I have a cup of water, which is lukewarm. Add that in. Then now I'll start adding my flour. Mix until it's all nicely mixed up, and then make sure there is no loose flour or something of the sort. And then once it's mixed, then we will add our blueberries. We want them to be thick and fluffy. In goes my blueberries. You can add more. It's just that I ran out actually, so this one is still working. And that's it. We're ready to cook, guys. See? Now I have my pan all heated. Make sure the heat is not too much so that you don't get them burnt. Now I will oil my pan real quick. Make sure it's nicely oiled. So done. Scoop. In we go. Guys, you see those bubbles? Yeah, you want to have those on the top before you can flip it. Make sure you can see some bubbles before, otherwise you're going to flip it ahead of time and then it's going to be all messed up. You can check as well. I need to give it a little bit more time. Cooking on low heat to ensure that, because they're thick and fluffy, I don't want to cook them so fast and then they don't get to cook on the inside. So make sure your heat is on a low so that it can cook through. guys, back. This is the final result, and as you can see, they're nice, fluffy. Yeah, thick and fluffy. You can make them thinner if you like, but yeah, I just put some syrup to enhance the sweetness a little bit. The kids love it with the syrup, so yeah. I have a very special guest today to review these pancakes for us. So come along, babe. Let's do
So let's hope we like the taste of it.
first of all, say hi to the people.
So hi guys, what's up my friends? How are you? So I'm very privileged to be the first person to taste these yummy cookies. So yummy pancakes, sorry. So I hope I will give a good rate because I'm very choosy when it comes to nice pancakes. Okay, let's go.
Oh really?
If they're not nice, I leave them on the table.
You don't say.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Alright. Very nice. Very nice. One more just to confirm.
I might as well give you the whole plate, huh?
Wow. The blueberries just melts in the mouth.
You can show them. You can show them. Guys, you can see. Let me cut into it. Let's see.
Very nice. Good job. High five.
Okay, guys. That's
Really,
it for
really.
today. Stay here and close the video.
Yeah.
That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching until the end. If you want more videos, please make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out every time we post a new video. Thank you for watching, and until next time, God bless you. Bye bye.
See you.
God bless you.